Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN and
Happy Valentine's Day.
My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily.
Panthers, we've had a lot of successful events this week.
For starters, Heritage 12th Annual Valentine's Day Show was amazing. We appreciate everyone that showed up to see our school's best performances.
And we'd also like to shout out to every performer who participated in this special event. You all did outstanding.
Next up was the BPS Career Fair. At this event, students learned about career opportunities and interviews for a job.
We hope everyone who attended had a great time.
Students, this month is Black History Month, and you know what that means. Heritage Black History Month.
Fashion show.
Okay.
And Heritage is looking for models. Sign up with the QR code on the screen now. For more information about this special event, see Ms. Collins in room 4104.
On February 20th, BSU is going on a field trip. They are going to Harry T. and Harriet V. Moore Museum. On this trip, students will learn about the Civil Rights Movement in Florida and the Harriet T. and Harriet V. Moore's legacy.
This trip is open to any students with a 2.0 GPA or higher. If you would like to attend, permission slips will be available in room 4104.
Panthers, if you would like to buy a yearbook, visit the link shown on the screen now.
And if you would like to get 10% off the regular price, use a code on the screen now. But do not wait. The code will only be available for today.
Students, make sure you have your student ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get a lunch detention, and if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
Also, Panthers bathrooms will be closed. Also, Heritage bathrooms will be closed at 3:25 every day. If you need to use the restroom in case of emergencies, you can find a staff member in the courtyard for assistance. Now in seniors news. If you miss your opportunity to get your grad bash tickets, you must see Miss Underwood to get your name on the wait list.
Seniors, class of 2025 shirts are now available. To access, you must open the link on the Senior Google Classroom.
On there, you will see there is a Google form you must fill out in order to receive your free senior shirt. If you do not fill out the mandatory form, then you will not be able to get your shirt.
The deadline for this form is today. Fill out the form today and get a free class of 2025 shirt.
Eastern Florida State College will be here all day on February 18th in the Media Center. They will be here to help out any of you who are struggling with the EFSC applications and complete the FAFSA.
To attend, check in with your English teacher first with their permission.
The Brevard Sioux Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard 60 different scholarships. These scholarships give seniors opportunities to certain scholarships that will help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the code on the screen for more information.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID. And it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Also, Heritage will have the CLT on February 20th. Contact the testing coordinator, Coach Gage, for more information.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 2024-2025 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage.
In sports news, we've had an awesome turnout for hammer duels. All last week, we've had 12 other schools across the state competing. Congratulations to everyone involved.
Tonight at 5 p.m., our basketball team goes up against MCC.
Baseball.
Tonight?
It's baseball.
Oh.
In sports news, the girls In sports news, the girls base.
You're infecting me! Tonight, our baseball team goes against MCC at 5 p.m.
Next week on Monday, our baseball team takes on Sebastian Rivers at 6 p.m.
On Tuesday, our baseball team goes against Space Coast also at 6 p.m.
On Wednesday, Heritage is having an invitational track meet at 4 p.m.
On the same day, our baseball team will take on Gateway at 6 p.m.
And finally, on Thursday, our softball team will go up against the MICS at 6 p.m.
That's all news for this week. Panthers, thank you for watching. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue! You got that?
Wow.
I didn't see you there. I apologize, Evan. You should get our explosion again. A really cool explosion. We should draw some hearts.
Should we make a heart?
Huh? Yes! Instead of our handshake, we should make a heart.
Oh, this is really
what's happening? Hold
Let's
on.
just make one with our hand.
What? No. What's wrong?
This,